Good morning. Good morning. Namaskar. We start with a small prayer. This I call the project manager's prayer. Some of you might already know it. God, give us the strength to change the things that we can, to tolerate the things that we cannot, and wisdom to know the difference. This is what I say every day in the morning before I get to work. I do not know about tolerance and wisdoms. I'm getting there. So good morning, Delhi. आज आप सबको यहाँ देखते हुए बहुत खुश हो रही है, और वो भी शनिवार के दिन इतने सुबह सुबह. पीएमआई के 5वीं परियोजना सम्मेलन पीएमआई उत्तर भारत चैप्टर द्वारा आयोजित है, और दूसरे दिन के लिए आप सबको मैं स्वागत करता हूं. The person who is going to come up next speaks Hindi better than I do. Has spent 3 days in Tihar jail and few other jails as well, if I'm right. Has got over 16 years of experience in the ICT solution design, holds multiple certification, PMP, CISSP, etc. More importantly, the man who was the single point contact for the cool app that you're all using for the project management conference. He was a technical designer for that, and the game that you're all playing. In this conference, he's been titled as a project director, basically, which means that he's running around doing everything, and has been responsible for putting together the great show that you're all seeing. For the North India chapter, he has the role of Vice President Technology, has become a close friend over the last 2 days. Preetham, please come on stage to give the welcome address.
Thank you, Kaushik. Suprabhat. So, everyone energized? I welcome you all today on the second day of the Project Management National Conference, which is being held in NCR. And this is one of the most prestigious events when it comes to project management in the entire capital or entire country for that matter. Delhi NCR is a unique melting pot of esteemed personalities from a variety of sectors who are associated with PMI community. This includes the bustling corporate sector, the central government, and the state governments. The conference at NCR would not have been complete without getting to include the representation from both corporate and the government sectors. I'm sure you must all have enjoyed and gained from the insightful keynote sessions, case studies, and as well as technical paper presentations which were held yesterday. Not to forget the panel discussion that we held. It was an interesting the way it was held yesterday. We would continue to provide similar mix of learning sessions today as well, including first time ever insight into uncertainties in filmmaking, a sector where launch date is announced on the date of Muhurta. I don't know how many of you know that, but the date of launch of film is announced on the date, the Muhurta, basically the first day of the event itself. So they work through all uncertainties. That's where we are trying to bring in a different perspective altogether. Yesterday we heard interesting thoughts and views on managing uncertainty by eminent speakers from corporate sector. And we would be inviting representation from government sector in the second session today, which is going to be on e-governance and public empowerment, fiction or reality. Yesterday was an event full of fun, learning, gifts, and contests. I must say, some of you are really enjoying the photo contest that's going on, and I can really see the scoreboard building up. But unfortunately, it's stuck at 3:43 as of last evening, and maybe we need some more participation out there. For all who are playing and who will not have played, the game is open till 4 p.m., after which we'll be doing the last count up on who's the winner. And we'll also be announcing the Best Technical Paper Award at the end of this conference, which will be after the session by Swami Sukhabodhananda, who's the corporate guru. Now, I must say this conference, when Kaushik was good at announcing that, I'm the man out here, but this conference would not have been possible without the support of volunteers from, who are taking care of various responsibilities. And I would like to invite the track leads and co-track leads of various tracks. So may I request one by one, Hemant Sehgal. Is he around? Hemant Sehgal, track lead. He is the man who's responsible for getting the food and beverages and the hospitality for the entire event. Piyush Goel. He is the track lead for technical paper, and with him, the co-track lead, Nirmalya Kar. They spent almost 6 months going through, I don't know how many papers, but let's put it this way, almost like 300 abstracts and about 180 paper submissions that they had received, to give you the best 15 that you're getting to see during this conference. Sachin Agrawal, track lead for registration, managing the entire registration desk, getting ensured that everyone is getting registered on time, the UID number generation, the registration batches. So he's the man behind it, and along with him is Naveen Singh. He's the co-track lead for the registration track. Following that is Jay Kumar, track lead, and Vineet Sardana, co-track lead, who are instrumental in making sure the right mementos reach the right people and they're organized well. And if we are talking about, we are all here to listen to speakers. We are all here to listen to the wisdom of people who have experience in their life. And this would not have been possible by people who are responsible for handling or managing the speaker track. Vanita Ahuja, track lead, and Sangeeta Sinha, I'm announcing her name, but she's not been able to reach here because of an accident she has met. But I think she deserves to be announced. I believe she's probably trying to take care of some other agendas at this point in time, but okay. And then we have Amit Agrawal, who's the conference co-director, and he's the man who's been working with me to making it a success.
Thank you, Preetham. I'd like now to invite our chief guest for the day, our keynote speaker, Mr. Vishal Bali, to honor these track leads with a small memento. Vishal is the Group CEO of Fortis Healthcare and is responsible for the entire operations of Fortis Group in Asia across 8 countries. A more detailed introduction before he starts speaking. Vishal, can I request you to please hand over mementos to all of these people? The mementos are on the way. We would start with Amit Agarwal, the conference co-director. Hemant Sehgal, the hospitality track lead.
Vanita is among us now. May I request Vanita to please join us?
Vanita Ahuja, who leads the speaker track. Sangeeta Sinha, who is not here today. Piyush Goel, the technical paper track lead. The co-lead for the technical paper track, Nirmalya Kar. Managing both registration and volunteers, Sachin Agarwal. Assisting him as co-track lead, Naveen Singh. Jay Kumar, the track lead who interacted with sponsors and put together all the welcome kits and the mementos. And Vineet Sardana, who handled also the welcome kits and the mementos. Vishal, if I can request you to pose for a group snap with the whole group. So this is when they smile, we all clap.